Well, hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located right here in the Houston, Texas area. We're actually in Porter, Texas, just north of the Humble-Kingwood area, right off of 59 and the North Park exit. Just cut on over to Loop 494, hang a left, and we're right down on the left-hand side. You'll see our big new sign out there. And of course, for all of you not in the Houston area, don't forget, we always ship anywhere in the United States, even Canada. So if we can help you with your pressure washing or soft washing business, feel free to reach out. Call or text us at 281-612-1223, or you can email us at info@DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, a quick reminder, our next hands-on training school is going to be March 14th. That's this Saturday, March 14th, right here in Houston, Texas, with myself, or in Valdosta, Georgia, with Judd West. If you'd like to get registered and signed up, or you need more information about our trainings, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com. All the information is right there. You can fill out the contact form if you have any questions, or you can email me at learn@PressureWashingSchool.com. You could also call or text me at 281-883-3630. Hey, I made a pretty big change to my online training this week. After more than 12 years of running my online pressure washing school, I've moved everything into a brand new community. And in this video, I want to explain exactly why I did it. So I got that coming up next. If you've followed my channel for a while, you know that my goal has always been simple: help people start and grow a pressure washing business the right way. For those of you who may be new here, I've been teaching people how to start pressure washing businesses for over 15 years. I started doing hands-on training classes here in Houston 15 years ago this week. And about 12 years ago, I launched my online video school so people anywhere could learn this business. Over the years, thousands of people have gone through that training. But today, I want to share something new with you that I'm really excited about. I mean, really excited about. I've officially launched a pressure washing school community on SKOOL, SKOOL. Now, before I explain what that is, I want to clear something up for those of you who already purchased my online training. If you already bought the all-course bundle or the company bundle, nothing changes for you. You will still have full access to everything that you already purchased. But as of March 7th, 2026, I made a change going forward. Those bundles are now only available to people who already purchased them. From this point forward, my online training and mentoring will live inside the new SKOOL community. And the reason for that change is pretty simple. Over the years, I've always tried to make myself available to students who paid for training. People reach out by text, email, phone calls, Facebook messages, just all kinds of different places. And the truth is, sometimes things slip through the cracks. I might listen to a voicemail, read a text, then the phone rings, and I get pulled into another conversation. Later, I realize I completely forgot to reply to the earlier message. Not because I didn't want to help, but simply because there are too many different places messages come in. So the goal of this new community is to bring everything into one place, inside the SKOOL community. You'll get training similar to what's inside the online video school, but now we'll also have a central place for questions, mentoring, and discussion. And instead of messages scattered everywhere, everything will happen inside the community or through private messaging within the platform. That means I can stay organized and make sure people get the help that they need. My plan is to check in there at least once a day, but often more depending on my schedule. Another thing that I really like about this community is it allows members to learn from each other. You'll have people in there who are brand new, starting their first business, people already in business, trying to grow, and even some experienced contractors who are former students. So you'll be able to ask questions, share experiences, bounce ideas off of each other, and network with other people in the industry. As far as the training goes, members currently get access to things like the roof cleaning training, house washing training, property protection, hardscape cleaning, and a lot of information about starting and running the business side of things. I'll also be adding new content every month. I'll be hosting scheduled Zoom calls for members for even further education and help. All right, right now the price is $30 a month, and that's just an introductory price. If you join at that price, your monthly renewal will stay at that price, but any future price increases, and there will be some, will only affect new members coming in later. And so just like anything else, if you decide this is not the right fit for you, you can cancel at any time. There's no contract, there's no pressure. For the last 15 years, my passion has really been helping people get started in this industry and avoid a lot of the mistakes that can slow you down. My hope is that this new community will allow me to do that even better than before. Better training and better support, and a place where people in this industry can actually help each other. If you'd like to check it out, there's a link below this video where you can learn more and join the community. I'd love to see you inside. And if you know someone thinking about starting a pressure washing business, feel free to share this video with them. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you being part of this channel. And I hope you have a very, very blessed day.